Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing some mind-blowing creative idea of mine. I don't know, the thing just came to me when I was losing my hair, and I feel some of you will be like, why some of you be like, I don't know, whatever your reaction is, please let me know. This is just something that came to my mind, and I don't know, I felt the need to do it and to show you guys. Like, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what's your reaction, your comments. What do you think? I don't know how to explain this feeling, but I just want to drop it right here. Like, boom. So guys, this idea just came to me like when I was losing my hair. I did it myself at home. On a norm, I go to the salon for them. I go to the salons for them to help me losing my hair. But I was so lazy this Saturday, and I decided to losing my hair myself at home. And this is everything. This is everything from my hair, the shuku. So when I was losing my hair, I noticed the coils, and something just came to my mind. Stay tuned and find out. So I noticed the coils and I was moved. I don't know, something creative just popped to my mind, like boom. And I tried to try it, and this is the outcome. I'll give you guys a step by step on how I was able to do this. So the first thing was I was picking it one by one. Is it coming to life? Is my idea coming to life right now? Like, do you understand? So now I picked so much. I think it depends on you. If you want it very full, want it bigger, or you want it mid. If you want it bigger, you can go ahead and pick more, but I don't really like. If you want it bigger, you can go ahead and pick more. After picking desired amount, this is what I want. I took my rubber band. And I took my scissors to cut to make it look neat. Baby oil, just a little. Then I took my styling mousse.